Hi. Now we are going to see about the characteristics and excitation of a flip-flop. Excitation table of flip-flop. Characteristics table and excitation table of flip-flops. So we have seen in the previous, we have seen about the types of flip-flops. So one thing that I forgot to tell you is that if they are asking you in a university, if they are asking different types of flip-flops, you have to write the 4 different types of flip-flop. Sometimes they will be asking to write SR and D flip-flop, then only you should go for that. If they are asking different types of flip-flop, you have to go for the 4 different types of flip-flop: SR, D, JK and master slave. Remember, JK's output should be that of master slave's output. You should not write the toggle condition over there. You have to write the Q. If 00 is Q, 11 will be Q bar statement. With that, you have to write the JK flip-flop's output. Okay, they will be asking one the question also, what you mean by race around condition, how you can eliminate it. So in that case, you have to write JK flip-flop, and in that statement 1 condition will be toggled, and how you obtained a race around condition over there, and to eliminate that race around condition you have to write the master slave JK flip-flop condition. Okay, so here in the characteristics and excitation table of flip-flops, we have seen the previous truth table of a JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop, TD, isn't it? So with the help of that itself, we are going for the characteristics and excitation of the flip-flop. So let me show you first a JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop. Here we are going to see both the characteristics as well as the excitation table of the JK flip-flop. So the truth table of a JK flip-flop, as we have seen, J, K, Q, Q bar. Truth table should always depend upon Q and Q bar. So 00 statement, if it was 00 statement, it was a no change. So I am writing as Q and Q bar itself. 01 statement, it goes only from 0. Present state always depends on 0. 10 statement, present state always depends on 1. Set statement, this is the opposite, 0. And 11 statement should be the opposite of 0 statement, that is Q bar Q. So the truth table is there. Now depending upon the present state, okay, and the inputs, you have to find the next state. That we have already seen in the previous class, how to find the next state. So using that you can find the next state. So characteristics, this is the truth table to find the characteristics of flip JK. I told you, depending upon the present state and the input, this is the present state, this is the input, you have to find the next state. That is the characteristics input. Okay. So input is JK, your present state depends upon Qn, and the next state depends upon Qn plus 1. Okay, we have seen if the present state is 0 and input is 00, what happens? Always in 00 statement there is a no change statement. So what is the present state? That will be as such in the next state. So that is a 0. If you say present state is 0 and it is 01 statement, 01 always will be, repeatedly I am telling you, it always will be 0 in the reset statement. In this, whatever is the present statement, 0 is, if it is present state is 0 and the input is 10 condition, it will always be in the set statement, isn't it? And 11 condition, what happens? If this was 0, this will be in the 1 statement, opposite statement, isn't it? Next, again I'm changing the present state to 1, and again I'm giving 00. So what is the, always you remember in 00 it is a no change. What is the present state? That will be here. So present state, 01 statement if I am giving, always will be 0. 10 statement, it will always will be 1, and 1 statement, in 1 statement what you are giving, 00 statement you gave it as 1, then 1 statement will be 0. Okay, with the help of this Qn plus 1, you have to find the characteristic equation. Present state and the inputs. With the help of the present state and inputs, Qn, Jk, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Look, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. You're getting 3 inputs, 3-bit data. So, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now I am grouping this. So I am getting Qn plus 1 is equal to, for this you are getting Qn and Qn bar, isn't it? Qn bar, and this will be J. So I am writing J Qn bar plus, here I am getting Qn and here K bar, K bar Qn. J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. This is the characteristic equation of a JK flip-flop. In the same diagram, you can understand how you can find the excitation table of a JK flip-flop. Okay. So, excitation table, I am just writing another table. To make you understand only, I am writing like this, okay. Look over here. Excitation table depends upon the present state and the next state to find the input. With the help of the present state and next state, you have to find the different inputs of a JK flip-flop. Okay. First thing, present state is 0 and next state should be 0. So what all condition if you are giving to get the present state as well as the next state to be 0? Look over here. The present state is 0. Next state is also 0. So what all conditions can be given? 0, 0 and 0, 1. So instead of 0, 0 and 0, 1, can I write it as 0x? Because x varies from 0 to 1. Isn't it? Am I correct? X means can be either 0 or 1. So 0, 0 or 0, 1 statement. So you can write it as 0, 0 can give it as 0x. Okay. Next, your present state is 0 and what all conditions if you are giving to get the next state as 1? Present state is 0 and what all conditions if you are giving to get the next state as 1? It's over here. 1, 0. 1, sorry, not 0, 1x. 1x. Isn't it? This is 1. Both are common. X over here. So you can give it as 1x. Next, you are giving the condition 1, 0. Your present state is 1 and what all conditions if you are giving, you will get the next statement as 0. Your present state is 1 and what all conditions you are giving to get your next statement as 0. Here it is. 0, 1 and 1, 1. So 0, 1 and 1, 1 I can write it as x1. Isn't it? 0, 1. So that will be x. 1 is common. So x1. And 1 is the input and what all condition you are giving to get the 1 as the next output. Next state. 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 1, 0. 0, 0 and 1, 0. So you can give it a x0. Okay. So for counters you need this excitation table. For memorizing this excitation table I will give you one more tip also. 0, 0, 0x. 1, 1, x0. Opposite. 0, 1, 1x. 1, 0, x1. So you can study like that also. This is very important. With the help of the excitation table only you can do the counters. So 0x, x0, 1x, x1. Similarly, we are going for SR flip-flop. in SR flip-flop, the truth table SR Q bar 0 0, no change. It can be either 0 or 1 or 1 or 0. That's what I have written like that. It's a no change state. 0 1, present state always will be 0 and the opposite will be 1. 1 0, 1 0, 1 1. It is indeterminate state or invalid state. So depending upon that, I have written the characteristic equation. Present state, I told you, has JK itself same. If the present state is 0 and the inputs are 0 0, depends upon the present state only, that is 0, no change. If the present state is 0 and 0 1 input condition, always 0, 1 0 condition, always 1, 1 1 condition, it is an indeterminate state. Similarly, if the present state is 1 and the input is 0 0, it depends upon the present state, no change, no. So that is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1, indeterminate. Now we are going for the characteristic equation, truth table. Okay, so 0 0 1 indeterminate states, I am giving X. Next comes 1 0 1 X. So grouping, you can group these two and you will have this an indeterminate state. So we are giving X over there for the grouping only. Okay, now you will give as Qn plus 1 is equal to, first this one, no change, and this will be S plus here S is changing R bar. So you will get R Qn, R bar Qn, S plus R bar Qn. Okay, now going for the excitation table. Okay, Qn and Qn plus 1, you have to find SR, similar has JK flip-flop. Your present state is 0 and your next state, whatever condition you are giving to get the next state, has 0. So 0 0 and 0 1, 0x. 0 1 statement, 0 1, your input is 0 and your output should be 1. Only one statement is there, that is 1 0 condition. And 1 0 statement, your one input is 1 and you have to get the output as 0. You have only one statement over here, so that is 0 1 statement. And 1 1 condition, your input is 1 and output should be 1, isn't it? So you have input is 1 and output is 1 in two conditions, that is X 0. So similarly, as we have seen in the JK flip-flop, 0x X 0. Here it was 1x in the JK, here it is always in the opposite side, 0 1 1 0, 1 0 0 1. Okay. Next, D flip-flop. D flip-flop, truth table, D and Q bar. If D is 0, Q will always be 0, Q bar will be 1, D is 1, Q will be 1, Q bar will be 0. Okay, characteristic equation. Qn D Qn plus 1. If the present state is 0, Q is 0, Qn will depends upon the present state 0. 0, if Qn is 1, it depends upon the data, that will always be 1. 1, this is 0. Always think about D flip-flop, the next state and the D will be the same. Okay, whatever the present state will be there, what is stored in the data in the flip-flop, that will be that in the next state also. ഒരെണ്ണത്തിനകത്ത് സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്ത ഡേറ്റ അല്ലേ പുറത്ത് വരാൻ പറ്റൂ, അപ്പോൾ ആ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്ത് എന്താണോ അതേ പുറത്ത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റിലും വരത്തുള്ളൂ. 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ 0. എന്ത് present state condition, if it is 1, 1, it will be 1. Okay. So it's a 2-bit data. So 2-bit of K map is should be drawn. Qn D 0 1 0 1. So you're grouping only one, that is Qn plus 1 is equal to D. Okay. So characteristic equation, if you're giving for the characteristic equation, that will be also the same. Okay. If you're giving 0, 0 will be the output. If you're giving 1, 1 will be the output. So the excitation table is also the same. Characteristics as well as excitation. Same 0 1 0 1. Okay, same excitation table. Now we are going for T flip flop. Last flip flop, T flip flop. Here also the CADA as well as excitation table are same. Okay, you know the truth table. So the truth table of a T flip flop, if you're going for a T flip flop truth table, if T and Q, if T is 0, this will be Q, and T is 1, this will be Q bar. We have seen the truth table. So here the present state Qn T Qn plus 1. If the present state is 0, T is 0, this will also be 0. If the present state is 0 and T is 1, isn't it? If the T condition changes, if it is 0, 0 ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇതെന്താ, it will be 1 Q bar. One statement, present state 1, 0 will be 1. 1 condition, the opposite, that will be 0. So if you're taking the equation, it is also a 2-bit data. 0 1 Qn T 0 1 0 1 1 0, as we know, it's written as, you can write it as T Qn bar plus T bar Qn. It's an XOR gate. See, it's an XOR gate. T XOR Qn. Same, the excitation and the characteristics are same. You will get 0 1 1 0. Different outputs, different inputs will have same output, and same input will have 0 output. Same input, 0 output. Different input, same output. One will be the output. Okay. Hope you have gone through this. Okay, thank you.